Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a shoulder slide first move. Not to be confused with a first move shoulder slide, because of course that would be starting with the first move rather than starting with the shoulder slide. Ideally you want to know how to do a shoulder slide and a first move already. We'll put links to the video clips for those in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at them it's going to be easy and quick for you to find them. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. Are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So basically you start as a shoulder slide, you use the exit from the shoulder slide to turn it into a first move and then just finish the first move as usual. I'm going to also show you how to do the open first move variant as well, for the simple reason that the trickiest bit of this is collecting the hand, and actually doing the first move open first move variant means that you can see that you actually don't have to collect the hand at all if you don't like it. So from scratch goes man's left, lady's right, semicircle push, send the lady back, starts off into a normal shoulder slide, we come in, we pop the hand on the shoulder, and this is where it changes. Guys, instead of going past the lady and continuing to turn, we actually continue to turn but head back to where we started. We reach around with the right hand to be picking up the lady's shoulder, and if I did nothing with my left hand, I could still lead an open first move and then finish an open first move. So we come in, round, face, return and back. But this time I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to pick the hand up. So we go back, starts like a standard shoulder slide, we go latch. Again, we still reach for the shoulder blade because that's the important hand to guide everything. But we're going to put the left hand underneath the lady's arm, so as we twist the lady out we can slide down to the hand. Now we're in a standard first move position and we can finish off a standard first move. So now let's think about numbers, and we'll do it from the other side so you get the other view. So it goes back 1, latch 2, collect 3, into the twist out 4, preparation 5, turning 6, facing 7, returning 8 and back 1. So let's try that to account. Here we go. 5, 6, a shoulder slide first move. We go a back, latch, collect, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. That's the slow version. The fast version, you can actually do the collect and the twist out all in one, so it's 1 count shorter, and that looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it depends on whether you want a fast pop round kind of collection, or whether you want to take your time and make it nice and easy. And frankly, I think the best way to judge which one's going to work best is think, what does the music feel like? If the music feels poppy, then you're going to do the fast one. If it feels relaxed and smooth, then you're going to do the slow one. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the moves. Thank you for anyone who does that. Subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And if you hit the notification bell, you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in one of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video. So it'll be a link to a music video, which will be a nice tune to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.